Hey guys, it's Molly, and today I'm at Disneyland. Well, I will be tomorrow. Today I'm at my hotel, and we're watching the fireworks show. You can see it over there. It's so pretty.
Ow!
Anyways, I'm sorry about the background noise, because we are walking on the street. But we're watching the fireworks show from the top of our hotel, and it's really fun, so yeah. Wow, those ones are so pretty. You guys can't see it, but right over there where the fireworks are, there's the castle, and you saw the Matterhorn right before the sun went down. You're so close to Disneyland, guys. Look, it's like shooting stars behind me. Wow, do you guys see them? I never thought I'd be at Disneyland. This is so cool. Look at that one, that was so big. I'm gonna turn around now so I can see it. Hold on. It feels like the 4th of July, but it's like May. Those are like little baby ones. You can see all the street lights too, and they look really pretty. Oh my gosh! I think that one's my favorite. I think so. Ooh, these ones are pretty. My mom isn't even looking at me anymore. Just how rude.
Oh, that was.
That's not even. That's just the sky. Oh, there they are. They're all like little circles. They're really pretty this way, I think. What do you guys think? Do you like the fireworks? Do you want to see my adventures in Disneyland? I think I'm gonna post them. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, look, there's more, guys. What is Mom doing with the camera? Mom, stop. Look at that one. I really like the ones that look like confetti.